In today's world of rapidly depleting resources and increasing pollution levels, the need for renewable and sustainable sources of energy is more pressing than ever. Interacting with this alarming situation, we set our sights on solar energy, a reliable, abundant, and environmentally friendly solution. This video will walk you through the process of building your first off-grid solar power system, ensuring that you join the thousands of people worldwide working towards a better and more sustainable future. Before we dive into the steps of setting up your solar power system, let's understand what we're working with. A typical off-grid solar power system consists of a few primary components, including a solar panel, a battery, an inverter, and a charge controller. Having a basic understanding of these components and how they interact with each other will help you during the installation process. Now that we have a basic understanding of the components of an off-grid solar power system, let's dive into the installation process. This scene will take you through a step-by-step guide to setting up your solar power system, from placing the solar panels to setting up the battery and inverter. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Always ensure you are wearing the appropriate safety gear, and make sure your setup is secured and positioned correctly. Your off-grid solar power system is up, and the sun's energy is now being harvested to power up your home. But like every other system, it requires regular maintenance and occasional troubleshooting. This scene will arm you with the necessary know-how to troubleshoot common issues, and perform regular maintenance to keep your system in optimal working condition.